Today, we're taking a look at what could be one of the biggest luxury SUV surprises of 2027, the Acura RDX.
Because if Acura ever built something that looked like this, a lot of premium brands would suddenly have a serious problem. Just look at it. This SUV has the kind of presence that instantly grabs your attention. It looks lower, wider, sharper, and far more expensive than you'd expect. Instead of blending into traffic, it looks like it belongs parked outside a luxury hotel. Let's start with the front. This is a huge departure from today's RDX. The ultra-slim LED headlights, sleek grille, and aggressive lower bumper give it a modern, high-end appearance that feels far more upscale. It doesn't rely on oversized chrome or flashy details. The proportions do all the talking. It looks clean, it looks athletic, and it looks expensive. Move around to the side and the design gets even better. The long hood, flowing roofline, sculpted body, and large wheels give it the stance of an SUV that costs much more. It's sporty without sacrificing the practicality buyers expect from a luxury crossover. Then you get to the rear. The slim taillights, clean tailgate, and wide stance finish the design perfectly. There are no unnecessary lines or fake vents, just a premium-looking SUV that feels modern from every angle. And that's exactly why this could be so interesting. The luxury SUV market is packed with choices. They're all great vehicles, but many of them become incredibly expensive once you start adding options. That's where this RDX could stand out.
Imagine getting styling that looks every bit as premium as the European competition while costing noticeably less.
That's a formula buyers love. People don't just want a luxury badge anymore. They want something that looks special every time they walk up to it. And this design absolutely delivers. The sharp lighting, the muscular proportions, the sleek profile. Everything works together to give this SUV a confident personality without trying too hard. It feels premium, it feels modern, and unlike many luxury crossovers today, it actually has character. That could make it a fantastic choice for professionals, families, commuters, weekend travelers, and anyone wanting luxury styling without paying top dollar for a German badge. Before we finish, there's one thing you should know. This isn't an official Acura reveal. It's a custom concept that I designed and created to imagine what the next generation RDX could become based on the SUV concept released by Acura that is rumored to be the next RDX. Whether you'd keep it exactly like this or change a few details, that's part of the fun. But if Acura ever built something that captured this same bold look while keeping it more affordable than many of its rivals, it could easily become one of the best value luxury SUVs on the market. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below.